Let me see. Yeah, we are live on YouTube. So, for those who don't know me, I am Ana Clara. I'm 22 now. Yesterday was my birthday. I live in a small city in Rio de Janeiro, Araruama, and I am a civil engineer student. Oh my god, the YouTube is noisy. So today we'll talk about climate change, but first I would like to know if someone is here for the first time. I don't know Lucas and Yasmin, maybe, but Yasmin said it's not her first time. And you, Lucas, is the first time?
No, it's not my first time. I'm here for more or less 1 month. I've
Oh,
been.
yeah, maybe because I'm not seeing you, so I don't
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
but so I'll explain a little about TNT. TNT is a safe place to talk in English, and we are improving the website. Is a little different. You can check, and we have another meetings. French, Italian, the Italian bags, the master classes. So just check on the website. They are becoming very beautiful and useful. So I will share my screen here. Just a minute. Okay. Oh, I forgot the sound. Okay. I will open here. Can you
Human
listen?
activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
So let's stop here. Yeah. Um, the topic is not so easy to talk, but I try to bring more simple questions to us talk and share our opinions. I will I will put here. I don't know what's happening with my everybody everything freeze here. I will copy the question. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know. I will stay everybody here on the main room because we are in mine. But if somebody comes, I split us. So let's start with the presentations. Yasmin, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Yasmin. I am 19 years old and I live in São Paulo. I'm studying English at college and I live with my parents.
Thank you, Yasmin. Marcelo, how about you?
So, hi guys, I'm Marcelo. I'm living in a small city of Bahia, Calibado Choça. I'm married. I'm had two children. I'm a teacher, and it's awful.
Thank you, Marcelo. Laurie, hello.
Hi.
Could you introduce yourself? You're muted. Yeah.
Sorry, I forget. My name is Lorena. I'm from Colombia. I live in Curitiba, Brazil. I studied business. I am a Spanish teacher. I am 32 years old. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Vitor?
Hello. At first, congratulations for you. Happy birthday. I expect that
Thank
all the best happens with you.
you. Thank you.
So, for those who don't know me, my name is Vitor. I'm 20 years old. I'm from a city called Salvador in Bahia, in Brazil, but I live in a nearby city called Camaçari. I am a literature student at college, and I'm host here until TNT on Thursday, 5 p.m. So that's all. Nice to meet you all.
Thank you, Vitor. Vitória?
Hey guys, my name is Vitória Silva. I'm 15 years old. I live in Sergipe, Aracaju, Sergipe. I study chemistry technician and I'm a freshman in high school. And I'm here at TNT. It's been like 1 month and a half. Yeah, that's it.
Vitória, just to say, I love your videos on YouTube. Later you can share here in the chat. I was
Thank you.
I was catching some tips, but it's really nice. Lucas?
Thank you very much.
Lucas?
Hi everyone, I am Lucas. I am 30 years old. I am from Fortaleza and I work in the IT area.
That's nice. And Giovanna now.
Hello guys, good afternoon. My name is Giovanna. I'm 15 years old. I live in Minas Gerais and I'm a high school student.
Thank you, Giovanna. I didn't forget you, Yuri. Could you?
Yeah, hi guys. My name is Yuri. I live in São Luís, Maranhão. I study law at college and I'm 18 years old. That's it, and happy birthday, Ana Clara.
Thank you, Yuri.
I forgot, happy birthday.
Thank you, guys. So I will divide in two rooms because it's better. Let me just see here. Okay, I will keep this one. Yes. So if something happen, you can talk with me something bother you, but I guess it will be a nice conversation. If you finish all the questions, you can back to the main room, but we have 10, so I think we don't have problems. So see you guys, and someone will stay here for me. Let me see who is staying. Okay. Victoria, Yuri, Marcelo, and Lucas. Let's wait. Giovanna and yeah. So the first question, let me see here. How much warm is your city? Does the weather vary greatly? Who wants to start? Victoria?
I can start. I live in Aracaju, Sergipe. I was born and raised here. And Aracaju is so hot, guys. I was talking to Marcelo yesterday in the other TNT. And when here it's like 12 graus, I don't know how to say this in English, but
Degrees.
the people, sorry?
Degrees.
Degrees? Thank you. So when it's like 20, 19 degrees, the people here are like, oh my gosh, I have to put on my coat because it's so cold, you know. Like the climate, the temperature here is 30 or 29, you know, degrees per day, no, every day, you know. So it's so hot.
Yeah, that's good to listening. And your city, Lucas?
So I'm from Fortaleza. Here is very hot too. I'm not used to see how many degrees, but I believe it's the average is 27, 28. But it feels like it's more than 30, easy. Uh, One of the reasons I don't turn my camera on is because I stay more relaxed here with my, I don't know how to say, artificial swim, ventilador. So that's it. It's
Fun.
very hot
I
here.
think say fun.
Fun, yeah.
Yeah. And your city. Thanks, Lucas, for share. Marcelo, and you.
My city is not very hot because here it's the level sea, high altitude above the sea. I think 1720 meters above the sea. So in the winter it's so cold here, but in the summer it's hot too, but not seeing the the beach, for example.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you, Marcelo. And you, Yuri.
Well, it's the same here. In my city, it's very hot. The average it's more or less 27, 30 degrees every day, but it's not so hot because here is one island, so we have wind. It's kind of things. It's a little better, but sometimes it's very 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 hot. But
Yeah.
nowadays it's raining, so it's better.
Yeah. Yeah, here in Roma is a little crazy because sometimes it's very hot. But today, for example, is raining that very fine rain. And yeah, sometimes it's very hot. And here in Rio de Janeiro usually is hot. But I'm waiting a little the summer because a little the second question. Here used to be the seasons very separate. Oh, we can see the winter, we can see the summer, we can see the spring, and now is a little different. And so I will go to the number 2 and ask, can you see a difference between the climate when you were a child and nowadays? Do you have an example? Marcelo?
Uh, I can see I can see difference between when I child and now. I moved to that city when I was 7 years old. I'm 46 now, but when I child, mm, that's in my city. Um, it's rain a lot of day on the year, rain a lot of rain, a lot of days, rain, dizzy time. Sometimes and sometimes, how can I say it? When I tried um, for 3 months, rain, um, a lot, all time for 3 months, for example. Now, uh, very different between that time and today.
No, I got it. Yeah, here is a city who rain a lot, but it's more usual just the sun and the windy, but not raining so much than is raining now. So, and you, Yuri?
Well, I recognize nowadays that the period of raining in my city is a little different than when I was a child, because the the rain started now in December, and these years it's more shortly, when I was a child, the period of raining started in January, February, and until March, April, and nowadays it start on December and until uh, January and the beginning of February. So it's more shortly and start early, than other years.
Yeah, I understand. Thank you for sharing, Yuri. Lucas, how about you?
Yeah, the same as Yuri just said. I can realize that when I was a child, the rainy was mostly January to March, but nowadays I cannot realize too much. Don't, and 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 before there was a lot of days raining a lot, and nowadays that this doesn't happen anymore. Just a little raining and stops.
Yeah, I got it. And you, Victoria?
Through my experience, I can't because since I have memories like 2010, 2011, I don't know, I don't see change, but I know this is a reality. For example, I see in the TV on the TV like the temperature in Europe or even in Brazil reached, I don't know, 40 degrees yesterday, so it's a reality. But I can see in my, in my around me, in my city.
Yeah, understand. So just a minute to have another person. Hello, Felipe.
Hello, hello, everybody. Nice to see you one more time.
Hey, Felipe.
It's a
Yeah,
pleasure to be here again and again.
yeah. Thanks for coming. I we are talking about today about climate change. I will send the questions to you again,
Yeah,
but could you introduce yourself and say your city,
yeah.
and you can also answer the number one if your city is warm.
Uh-huh. Perfect. Good, good. Yeah, so hello, guys. My name is Felipe, and I love English. I love TNT. That's why I'm here, because I want to improve my English so I can apply for TOEFL. And I wanna say that the first question, how much warm is my city? Wow, does weather vary greatly? Sure, yes, it's crazy. We say here in Florianópolis that we have a crazy weather, so we never know what's gonna happen. And we have the famous south wind. That's a wind that comes directly from Antarctica Antarctic. I don't know how to say this in English, but okay, Antarctic. And they come directly to the island. So, and when you see, it's a very cold wind, and we suffer a lot because there are a lot of variations. Yes, the weather is always changing. For example, today it was sunny, but now it's started to rain. So now the weather is very cloudy, so it's gray. And this is like, yeah, I think that because I live on the island, and islands are very wet because of the water, right? We have
Mhm.
surrounded. I think it's this. That's why it's influence on the weather. But the climate change, as you were saying, yeah, actually, yes, I think it's this. Who answer on the first question?
Yeah. Thanks for sharing, Felipe. So let's go to the number three. Why do you think it's so difficult to educate people in this subject about climate change? Um, Yuri, could you start?
Yes, I guess the it's so difficult because the changes are so slowly. You can you not observe this every day. If you if you observe in a uh, long period, you'll see the difference, the change, and the other thing that it's very common nowadays, it's about fake news. The people started to not believe it in this kind of things, because many politicians and many enterprise started to share, that this is fake news, this is not exist, the climate change is it's not happening. It's, and the people started to not believe in this kind of things. It's so bad.
Yeah, I totally agree about this fake news. We have a lot of information that's not right, and people don't believe. This is just a no sense subject. But yeah, it's difficult. Lucas, and you?
Yeah, it's very difficult to educate the people. I agree with Yuri. I had another conversation here in TNT. We are talking about a very similar topic, and someone said that there are some studies that says there's getting warmer, and some other studies that says that's getting colder. So we don't know. I personally don't know, but yeah, it's very difficult to educate the people because all of that.
Yeah, I got it, your idea. Um, Victoria, and you, what do you think?
I think it's difficult because the people don't have the wish for to be open mind and to understand what is going on today and currently. Yeah, and the fake news are so true. The fake news, are a problem for to informate the people, the country, especially because the Brazilians, the most of Brazilians are so now close-minded yet, so it's difficult to tend this subject. But I think we are improving. We are improving. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we need more studies and a way to show people what is happening, but it's really difficult. Marcelo, what do you think?
I guess the people don't want to understand the importance of the subject because to make money it's uh, it's better for them. One guy said um, a little bit about it. I understand it's very important for me. Um, uh, he said um, about the climate. It's not enough to be aware of the problem. It's necessary to be sensitive of the cause. Uh, we always understand the problem, but we uh, don't nothing to change the situation. And make money, it's better for many people.
Yeah, don't want to care about the subject. Is better just waste the resource and gain money and all right, then the earth work itself. Yeah. Philip and you.
Yeah, it's a very good question because actually I don't know that much about this climate change, but I know that there is a cause, there is an effect, and if we put it like on the table, we realize that we have to take care of the environment. Yeah, we have to protect our nature and everything because we know that one day this can disappear and we'll miss it. We'll have consequence of our decisions that we are making right now. And this is important. We are in an important moment. There are a lot of scientists, there are a lot of researchers that they talk about this. I wish I could understand better, but I don't understand that much. But the only thing I know that I'm gonna try to do my part. I wanna preserve. I wanna try to, how can I say, waste less and less. Yeah, compared to I can. Yes, I wanna try to recycle and everything. It's very important.
Yeah, that's a process. We can try, but it's difficult. For example, here in my city, we don't have projects for this, like to separate the trash, the garbage, I don't know. So we need to fight to get this information, to contribute with the world. So this is very difficult. I was thinking about another question. Did you have this subject at school? Like, did you study about it? Do you remember?
In my case, I didn't have this subject. We talked about these in the class of biology, but it's not, we don't have the real importance for this subject, you know.
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a mathematician, but I talk about it. Sometimes I talk about it. It's very important for me. It's very important for my society. It's very important for my children. And sometimes I talk about it in my class.
Yeah. Thanks for that. It's very important. I wish I could have this on my school. We did, but very superficial, you know. And I needed to search more. And this question was difficult to to create because we don't have a lot of information. Yeah, but I guess it's very good to talk. Anyone else, or I can go to number 4.
In my case, I'm a student yet. I'm a high school student. And my old school, it's a school like in my neighborhood. So it's a small school. But even then, mesmo assim, my teachers were, I don't know, were worried about this question, but not a big worry, you know. Like they spoke a little, but not much. But in my currently school, is like a federal institute, so the people are more open mind for these questions. So it's I study chemistry technician, so I have a subject just for that. Um, I don't know how to say that in English, but it's like química ambiental. And in that subject, in the others like química industrial, and this subject is so we speak so much about that. It's so important for us because yeah, we are so chemistry, so yeah, it's important.
Philip, I guess you turn on your microphone to say.
Oh yeah, all right. No, I just would like to say that there's I always wanted to get more information about this because as I think was who said that was, let me see, I just viewed it that there are a lot of fake news, right? But we need to be careful and really need to clarify. I would like that this would be more transparent for the population. Yes, in the school, like you said, Nakara. If we had this like more clarified, more transparent, more yeah, it would be much better. And I just want to say that that there's no planet B. I remember I saw a saying. So there's no plan B. If we destroy our nature, our so our riches, we have to move out. So, but how can we move out, right? Go to Mars. So we have to think about the next generation, yeah, because we tend to think only about our generation. Yes, I don't care about the future, and I just want to make money now. And I see that there's a lot of manipulation, a lot of mind control, and they are always looking for money. It looks like the the main subject, right? The main cause is money, and you need to be careful.
Yeah. Thanks for sharing, Philip. As Philip was saying about, I will skip the number 4 because we already talked a little. But I will ask for Lucas. The Earth has a deadline. Do you agree? Do you have a bet for this deadline? Deadline is like, oh, Victoria gone. Deadline is like a limit, you know? How do you think?
Oh no, I guess this is the 5th question.
Yeah, 5. Yeah, I skipped the number 4.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Just because we said about the Yeah.
Okay. So, I believe maybe there's a deadline, but I have no idea when. Uh, uh, I would not bet some deadline for that. But yeah, for sure. Since we are getting each year warmer, as the studies say, there will be some day that will be very dangerous for everyone to go out of a house and things like that if you don't do anything.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very difficult. I hope my oh my god, I forgot my son or my daughter in the future. I don't have, but in the future could can live in a better place. It's very difficult to think, but yeah, the way that we are living is very difficult to think that in the future the things will get better. But let's let's continue. Yuri, what do you think?
Well, I believe it true that the Earth has a deadline. Uh, we have the natural deadline. Because uh, I don't to explain what about cosmology and the stars and this kind of things, but we have, I guess, we uh, accelerate the process. The deadline of our planet, and I hope that we can change these, and process can be more slow, but I don't know. We are very, I don't know, the capitalism, money, and we use all the resources of our planet, and don't care about this. And my bet for this deadline, I don't know, 2,000 years, 3,000. I don't know. I guess it's very unpredictable. Every
Right.
moment we have catastrophes and different things. Like nowadays, we live in one pandemic, so I don't know what the limit of our planet and of the humans.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you, Yuri. And you, Marcelo?
So it's about the deadline, okay?
Yeah, number 5. Yes.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know, but maybe if we don't change our posture, uh, maybe soon. I worry about it. I worry about it, but I don't know. I don't know. I know the the climate is change soon, but I don't know if exist a deadline.
Yeah, understand. And you, Philippe?
Yeah. Uh, well, this is a good question. Unfortunately, I don't know. Yes, I don't have the knowledge to say something. But I think that sometimes we can realize things, right? We can have some perception that is not natural what we are doing, like deforestation, right? Destroying the nature. I think this is not natural. It's obvious that if we die, if we kill our biodiversity, I think that we have some consequence after. But I'm not a specialist. I don't know how bad can be. But I don't know if it's too much to say that the Earth has a deadline. I cannot say that, but I hope I hope, but I don't know. I hope, of course, doesn't have a deadline. I hope.
Yeah. I bring this one because I was searching, and in New York has a clock with a countdown and shows that the Earth will stay too much warm in 7 years. So it's just 7 years, and this catch my attention.
7 years.
Yeah, I will put here the link, and you can see. Uh, I will share it before with everybody, but 7 years, yeah,
I was thinking about some million years. I don't know.
yeah, yeah. It's a little sad, but I will share with you, and then you can search more. So let's go to. Oh, Philip, would you want to say something?
No, I just want to say that yes, the time is passing by, right? Time flies, and 7 years is almost wow. Really, I'm very shocked. I can say I didn't expect this. So I think that we should pay attention more. Yeah, I should pay attention more to this preservation, right? And I hope we can change this. We can pay attention more.
Yeah. So let's go number 6. Do you think the Earth can regenerate itself? Um, Lucas, for you?
Sorry, 1 minute. Let me see.
Yeah.
Do you think the Earth can regenerate itself? I don't know. I have no idea. I really hope it can, but I don't know. I have never studied about it, but I hope so.
Okay. Thanks, Lucas. Uh, Yuri?
Well, I think that without humans, the Earth can regenerate itself, you know. But with humans, with us, I guess it's not possible because we use our your research, you know, a lot, and we doesn't try to give for Earth this kind of research, you know, to plant and to do this kind of things.
Yeah. Thanks, Yuri. Philip, and you, what do you think?
Yes, me too. I don't have knowledge. I don't know. Sorry. Yes, let me see.
No
But
problem.
there is a guy. His name is Elon Musk. He's saying that he's investing a lot of money on a space trip, right? Space travel. And he's telling the once I watched his interview, and he said that he wanna die in Mars. So he doesn't wanna die here on the planet. So he said that his purpose there, his goal is to die in Mars. So he's planning to have like space travels, like popular space travels. He's gonna like, how can I say, he's gonna make more accessible to
Yeah,
travel to Mars.
yeah,
This
I
is his
have
project.
heard. Yeah, I have heard about it. It's very different, you know. I bring a question about Mars colonization. I hope we can go there. But Marcelo, could you share your opinion?
Yeah. Um, I guess there is a theory about it. There's a theory the Earth is a living organism, Gaia, and for the the Earth um, for the regeneration itself, it's necessary to put the end the humanity for me to put the end the humanity because the humanity uh, destroyed the for me.
Yeah, actually,
No, no, not all the humanity, but the there's a lot of women, lot of people in and how um, um, Vito or no, how can I say for Yuri said about the capitalism. Capitalism is the guilt, the enemy of the earth for me.
yeah, yeah, I agree with you. I think the main problem is the humans, and yes, we have a lot of people who fight with the with Earth, with how can I say, build the Earth a better place to to the population and to the future, but we have to work harder. Let's go to number 9 about the Mars. Do you think Mars colonization is a good solution? Lucas?
Yeah, that would be great. I want to go in Mars someday, just to travel to get to know Mars.
Yeah.
Just kidding, but yeah, I have no idea if it's a good solution, but yeah, maybe. As we can see in some movies, but it's for us, it's not normal, yeah, to think about it.
Yeah. Maybe do our part can be better than go
Yeah,
to Mars or Mars colonization. But one thing that Philip said is very true. People are looking for Mars colonization, and I think in some years this can be happen. Yeah. What do you think, guys? Um, Marcelo? The,
I guess it's possible. It's not happening. Mars is so different of the Earth. Maybe the station uh, equals similar like the book The Hundred or the series The Hundred. You know the Hundred series or book. Very
no, I have
interested
never.
series. It's about the Earth, the climate change and the people of the Earth move to station around the Earth. I'm very interested, but I I think it's impossible to make to, to make the math. I don't. I think no.
Yeah, maybe just a trip, like Lucas said. People are coming back, so, but Yuri and Philip, you can answer.
Uh, yeah, well, in my case, I guess it's possible, in relation of Mars colonization, but I guess it's more easily to try to regenerate the Earth, than to bet in other planets, and if it is happening, I guess it's possible. I don't know because I know that we have many research, many scientists try to find other planets that can be be habited for humans, But I don't know. I guess it's more easily to try to make the Earth better, than to try to go to other planets.
Yeah. So people are back. Hey guys, how was the conversation? Peter, with you?
Yeah, it was very nice. I was quite surprised also because the subject seemed to be like very conflicted as climate change. But I think that people showed a lot of maturity, and they know a lot of things that are important for the planet and so on. And I must say that particularly in Laurie's country, there are a lot of things that are happening there to help the country, and we as Brazilians should learn from them.
Yeah, so Laurie, could you share with us? You're muted.
Yeah. Could you repeat, please?
Could you share with us about the projects of your country? What do you said about with Tito?
I said here about Medellin. It's a big city in Colombia. They have some projects for care the climate change. For example, they had a lot of projects for teach the people use the bicycle, like transport every day. There are a lot of activities every day for this. They change the theory, the structure of the theory for this. For example, the bus, the metro, is very clear because they had a project of culture about the clear of the metro, the metro. And I told in the meeting in 2014, Medellin won the name of the city more intelligent of the world because they had a lot of projects, I don't know, say sustentables and care the hair. And in Bogota, in the last 2 years ago, start projects for care the hair, for the transport, for change the culture of the people. So, for example, in Colombia, it's very interesting. The mayor, she's a woman, is the first mayor in my city, and she's a lesbian woman. So for she was very difficult be mayor, but now she's a mayor. Is she outside in the streets with I don't know, say with she told in the street Cardenachuri, she ride in bicycle. We can use this transport. We need to change the mind of the people. There are a lot of projects for teach the people because the problem is the culture and the education of the people is the principal problem. So in those theories, the mayor, the government is working a lot about this. We need to change a lot of things, but we are in the way.
Yeah. Thanks for sharing. It was amazing, and we need to learn more about. We are talking here on the main room that we didn't have these things at school to study this, just very superficial. So we need to study more to give the children to teenagers a good vision. And I will just share here with us. With you guys. I was talking about in New York, they have a watch. It's like a countdown about the deadline of the Earth. The Earth will stay too much warm, and it's 7 years. We are talking about here like 1,000, but it's just 7 years. So if you want, just check on this video on YouTube. And I guess it's all for today. I guess we have another meeting, so I need to finish. Please answer the feedback. It's very important to us. We have another meeting, and I hope you enjoyed this conversation. And thanks for coming, guys.
Thank you, Anna.
Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
guys. See you.
Bye, Lucas. Bye, Yuri, Laurie.